The Mazda CX-30 is already one of the best subcompact crossovers on the market today, but the next year's model is taking everything to the next level. The new generation is on the way, bringing improvements in pretty much every aspect that matters. Stay with us to find out 7 reasons why waiting for the 2026 Mazda CX-30 is a genius move. Number 7. New styling. The current CX-30 still turns heads after all these years on the market, but the 2026 model is taking Mazda's Kodo design language to an entirely new level. The Japanese automaker isn't abandoning what works, but instead pushing the evolution forward with sharper lines and more premium details that will keep this crossover looking fresh for years to come. Expect to see significantly slimmer LED headlights that give the front end a more aggressive stance, paired with a bolder grille design that commands attention. The front bumper is getting a complete rework with more sculpted surfaces and larger air intakes that emphasize the vehicle's sporty character. The side profile will retain the CX-30's distinctive raised stance and flowing lines, but with more pronounced wheel arches and door sculpting that adds visual muscle. But it's the rear end that's getting the most dramatic update. Spy shots and insider reports suggest wide LED taillights with a distinctive light signature connected by illuminated Mazda lettering across the tailgate. A premium touch we first saw on the Mazda EZ6 electric vehicle. These styling changes aren't just for show. They reflect Mazda's upmarket push while maintaining the brand's unique design identity. The 2026 model won't just look new, it'll look expensive, continuing to blur the line between mainstream and luxury segments. Number 6. Redesigned chassis. One of the biggest owner complaints about the current CX-30 is its somewhat firm ride quality, especially over rough roads. The culprit? A solid rear axle design that prioritizes handling over comfort. For 2026, Mazda is addressing this head-on with a significant chassis upgrade that could transform how the CX-30 drives. The 2026 model will finally adopt a multi-link independent rear suspension setup, replacing the torsion beam design used in the current generation. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a fundamental improvement that allows engineers to better balance sportiness with comfort. The new suspension can absorb impacts more effectively while still delivering the precise handling that Mazda is known for. This upgrade will be paired with Mazda's enhanced G-Vectoring Control Plus system, which subtly adjusts engine torque and applies slight braking to individual wheels during cornering to improve stability and turn-in response. The technology is already impressive in current models, but the 2026 version will be refined to work in harmony with the new suspension geometry. The result? A CX-30 that maintains its class-leading driving dynamics while finally offering the ride comfort that buyers in this segment expect. For drivers who regularly tackle potholed city streets or rough country roads, this upgrade alone might be worth waiting for. Number 5. New interior. Stepping inside the 2026 CX-30 will reveal an interior that's been completely reimagined while still embracing Mazda's minimalist philosophy. The current model already features one of the best cabins in its class, but the new generation takes luxury appointments to an entirely different level. The dashboard will be completely redesigned around a new driver-focused layout with higher quality materials throughout. Expect to see genuine aluminum trim, available real wood accents, and softer touch points in areas where the current model uses harder plastics. The steering wheel adopts a new design with a smaller hub and a more intuitive button layout. Mazda is also focusing on ergonomics, with a completely revised center console that provides more storage options without cluttering the clean design. The shifter will be more compact, freeing up space for larger cup holders and a wireless charging pad that can accommodate larger smartphones. The seats are getting a significant upgrade too, with new padding and bolstering designed to improve comfort during long drives. Higher trims will offer more adjustment options, including extendable thigh support, a feature typically found in luxury vehicles costing twice as much. This interior overhaul doesn't just look better, it's designed to function better for everyday use while maintaining the premium feel that sets Mazda apart from mainstream competitors. Number 4. Tech upgrades. Here's where the 2026 CX-30 truly leaps ahead of the current model. The somewhat dated tech in today's version has been one of the most consistent owner complaints, and Mazda is addressing it with a completely new digital ecosystem. The centerpiece will be a curved display panel that spans from behind the steering wheel to the center of the dashboard, housing both a digital instrument cluster and a larger infotainment screen. This setup not only looks more modern but also improves visibility and usability. The infotainment system itself is getting a complete overhaul with faster processing, more intuitive menus, and improved voice recognition that can understand natural language commands. While Mazda will retain its rotary controller for use while driving, the system will now support touch inputs when the vehicle is stationary or moving at low speeds, giving drivers the best of both worlds. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will be standard across all trim levels, along with a new wireless charging pad designed to prevent overheating. The premium audio system is also being upgraded with additional speakers and improved sound processing. On the safety front, the 2026 CX30 will feature Mazda's latest iActive Sense suite, with enhanced driver assistance features including improved adaptive cruise control that handles stop-and-go traffic more smoothly, and a more sophisticated lane-keeping system that feels less intrusive during normal driving. Number 3. More passenger space and better visibility. One of the most clever aspects of the 2026 redesign is how Mazda's engineers have created more interior space without significantly changing the vehicle's external dimensions. The current CX-30's tight rear seat has been a common complaint, especially for taller passengers on longer trips. For 2026, Mazda has completely rethought the interior packaging. The rear seats have been redesigned with a slightly different angle and thinner, but more supportive seat backs. This alone adds nearly an inch of legroom. The front seats have also been re-engineered with more sculpted backrests that provide an additional inch of knee room for rear passengers. The floor pan has been slightly modified as well, creating more foot space under the front seats. Combined, these changes make the rear seat experience dramatically more comfortable for adults, addressing one of the biggest practical limitations of the current model. Visibility, another pain point in the current CX-30, has been improved through clever design changes. The A-pillars are now thinner and set at a slightly different angle to reduce blind spots, while the side mirrors have been repositioned to better balance visibility and aerodynamics. The rear window is slightly larger, and the backup camera has been upgraded to a higher resolution unit with a wider field of view. Number 2. Hybrid is coming. For the first time ever, the 2026 CX-30 will offer a hybrid powertrain option, dramatically improving fuel efficiency while maintaining the engaging driving experience Mazda is known for. This isn't just any hybrid system. Mazda has been developing its own unique approach rather than borrowing technology from Toyota like it did with the CX-50. Mazda's new hybrid system is designed from the ground up to preserve the brand's zoom character. Unlike competitors that use CVT transmissions in their hybrids, Mazda's system will pair with a conventional automatic transmission with real gears for a more connected driving feel. The system combines a smaller displacement 4-cylinder engine with a powerful electric motor, delivering a combined output that matches or exceeds the current 2.5-liter engine while using significantly less fuel. Early estimates suggest the hybrid CX-30 could achieve over 40 miles per gallon combined, a massive improvement over the current model's 26 to 28 miles per gallon ratings. Perhaps most importantly, this isn't just an efficiency play. The hybrid system actually improves performance in real-world driving, with the electric motor providing instant torque from a standstill and filling in gaps in the power band. This means quicker acceleration around town and more confident passing on highways, all while using less fuel. Number 1. Next generation gasoline engine. The most compelling reason to wait for the 2026 CX-30 is what's coming under the hood. Mazda has been developing a revolutionary new generation of gasoline engines called Skyactiv Z that will make their North American debut in the new CX-30. This next-generation engine uses Mazda's groundbreaking Lambda 1 combustion method, an ideal air-to-fuel ratio that maximizes both power and efficiency. Early testing indicates up to a 20% improvement in fuel economy while actually increasing power output compared to the current engines. Both naturally aspirated and turbocharged versions will be available, with the latter expected to produce over 275 horsepower in a vehicle this size. Yet despite this impressive performance, the Skyactiv Z engines will still deliver better real-world fuel economy than the current power plants. This next-generation engine technology represents the culmination of Mazda's unique approach to internal combustion, squeezing maximum efficiency and performance from gasoline engines rather than rushing to full electrification. For buyers who aren't ready to make the jump to an EV but want cutting-edge efficiency, the 2026 CX-30 with Skyactiv Z will be worth the wait. With all these significant upgrades coming for 2026, from revolutionary engines to premium interior upgrades, it's clear that waiting for the new CX-30 is the smart move for anyone who isn't in an immediate rush. These aren't minor tweaks. They're transformative changes that address every major criticism of the current model while pushing Mazda's premium aspirations to new heights. Along with the CX-30, Mazda is also preparing the new generation of its closest sibling. Check out this video about why you should wait for the 2026 Mazda 3, which you can now see on the screen. The dynamic hatchback is getting a full redesign, addressing all complaints associated with the outgoing model. Thanks for watching and see you next time.